Welcome back, comrades. Once again, I'm using the communist lingo. I'm just trying to get used to it. Again, yesterday Barack Obama came out talking about his health care plan and trying to convince the American people that anybody who's speaking out against the health care plan are lying and fear-mongering. And then he goes on to say that health care is it's a very difficult thing to do in this country. Very difficult thing to pass. Health care reform is very difficult to pass. The problem, and he says, oh yeah, there's been 7 Congresses and 7 presidents who couldn't get this done. Do you know why they couldn't get it done, Barack Obama? And you want to know why it's difficult? Because the American people do not want single-payer health care in the United States of America. The people of the United States of America do not want government running the health care system in the United States of America. The American people do not want the government to control every aspect of the people's lives, because that infringes on the individual freedoms of the American people. I'm sorry that a socialist like you can't understand it. I'm sorry that a Marxist can't understand why people want to be free from government intervention. Gee, I'm sorry. I can't understand it either, Barack Obama. Isn't that incredible that this is difficult to do? They want you to believe, and then, he's saying that everybody who's against this is fear-mongering, and then he comes out right after saying that and says that if we don't pass this, everybody's premiums are going up. People are going to be dropped from their insurance. This crisis will go on and bankrupt the government, bankrupt the country. That's fear-mongering. Isn't that fear-mongering? That is fear-mongering. Because even with this plan, everything's going up. The control over people is going up, definitely. The control over the individual man in this country will go up. The control by government. That's right. The prices are going to go up. The premiums are going to go up with this plan. All the things that he's telling you that will happen if we don't pass this plan will happen tenfold with this plan. It's unconstitutional, for one. But these people don't believe in the Constitution of the United States. They've got the Hollywood community out there trying to get a consensus from the American people to rewrite the Constitution. Hollywood's out there bashing the Constitution, saying it for rich people, when the Constitution is nothing more than a framework that limits government over the people. Limits the power of government over the people. That's what the Constitution is. And Barack Obama doesn't believe in the Constitution because he's a communist Marxist, dictator wannabe. That's what it is. And this whole health care plan is the way to take over, to start the process. They want a new Bill of Rights saying that people have a right to a home, people have a right to a job, people have a right to health care. All of these things are rights that the government will have control over. Do you understand? If you have a right to a home, then the government's going to get you a home. That means government has more power. All the rights that we have in the Declaration of Independence are free from government. Those are true rights and freedoms. If you introduce these new rights, you will be introducing government intervention in the lives of individuals. Government intervention in the lives of the American people against the Constitution of the United States of America. That's why they want to rewrite it. It's time to wake up, America. See you next time.